What are the uses of triangular bandage? The best use of triangular bandage is to apply arm sling. It is used to support forearm and hand in case of injury to the upper limb. For applying arm sling, put one end of the triangular bandage over the unaffected shoulder. We should keep in our mind that if this hand is we say right hand is damaged or injured, then we put one end on the left shoulder. I will show in the picture also. And the point should be towards injured side. Okay, let us see this picture. Here, this limb is injured, so we keep the point of this triangular bandage to right side and one end on the unaffected shoulder, means to left shoulder. Then we move this end towards this shoulder like this, and we tie a knot behind the neck. Here we can put a cotton pad so that it will not hurt to the skin. And then we take the point in front and pin or plaster here. So this is the way how we apply arm sling.